Alright, we are live again. Oh my god, time to make some money. Time to make some money. Alright, let me close my door, man. Somebody tell me how to make money. No, today I'm expecting not to take a trade. I'm expecting to build good habits. Practice my strategy. Alright, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Oh, this shit might not be fucking work out in our favor. Got 2 fair value gaps. Bro, fucking touch my forehead so much. Bro, my head start having pimples in a bit. Bro, I already got some, like one right here. And one right here. I'm touching my face too much, cuz. Alright, so other than that, we're gonna for fair value gaps. This is my 10/1/2024 market daily bias for New York session. I am bearish for the day. What's the reason I'm bearish? This 4 hour fair value gap. Oh, this 4 hour fair value gap got disrespected. So we're still bearish, right? We're still bearish until 10 a.m. Right? 10 a.m. we decide if we're gonna be bullish or bearish. Because 10 a.m. could go push down here and push back up. But then I'm like, okay, now I'm bullish to go to these highs. But till then, I am bearish. Because the market has a fair value gap, and he has not yet disrespected it. So at 10 o'clock, he's gonna decide my other bias. But for now, I'm bearish. I'm looking to go for this 4 hour fair value gap. That's my main goal. But if the project standard deviation comes to go lower to here, it's gonna go over there, right? Whatever it gives me, I'm gonna give you, right? So the 4 hour on liquidity is bearish. 4 hour bias is bullish. Now we go to the hourly. It's the hourly drawn liquidity. Hourly drawn liquidity in the moment right now is bullish. So 4 liquidity is bearish. 4 hour box is bullish. 1 hour box is bullish. 1 liquidity is bullish. I'm looking. So once I get my hourly confluence, which can only be a fair value gap or a box liquidity, hourly drawn liquidity then gonna be back to being bullish. Then I'm looking for a 15-minute confluence. Then we win the factor check. So 15-minute unicorn model. Then we could look for a short. And yeah, take a short entry from there on. Let's see how this goes. But today, expectation is going to be really low. I'm not going to expect a trade. If I take a trade, I'm expect to lose a trade. Flexibility habits, not bad habits. Price is matching the scale for profits. And with that's that. Thanks for watching. Right. So what I'm looking to short here and here, and short it to whatever the fair value gives us. Right. If he creates another fair value gap over here, and the market creates a fair value gap over here, I'm looking to short it till here, right? If it doesn't create a fair value gap, I'm looking to short it till here, right? But if this fair value gets respected, and once this fair value gets respected, and what I'm trying to say, if this fair value gap gets disrespected right over here, and it creates this other fair value gap, I'm looking to long straight away, without needing a 4 hour fair value gap or box liquid to get such a liquid to get touched, because the 4th is gonna be bullish already, right? So there's my market daily bias. Thank you for watching. And let's get to it. Mr. Underachievers, Underdoers. I think I'm looking beautiful today, man. I'm looking beautiful. I'm looking beautiful. Hey, yeah. Bro, I have some weird ass thinking chat. Market daily. Why do I have a weird thinking? It's very simple. I'm very delusional thinker. Like sometimes it could be related to trading where thinking about too much about money, which is not good, which I'm trying to control that, which I will try to, I actually will, God willing. But this one market daily buys. We might get a buy side. We might get a buy side liquidity. Will be. Let me go read out all my notes before I start off the anything. Then I should do an actual thing so we could. Mr. Underachievers, Mr. Underdoers. I'm not having the constant incredible amount of right now, but I read it. I'm not trading the economy pitching. Outside of market cuts to move the mid, not got to retracement, the similar have no catch it, don't catch a retracement. What's the other four is prevailing my analysis with the four liquidity, bearish with the four buys, bullish with the margin liquidity, bullish with the margin buys, bullish. Outside of market price, I do not enter as it also quality setup. But once I get out of the conflict, it's gonna be bearish. Okay, so the federal looking for financial liquidity clear for values about ancestral liquidity. Goes in high time for the like when the troll X log control met. Look for hourly or high traffic confluences. When thought traffic against the drawn liquidity, look for 15 equal model. And for the right, I'm going to touch the word market manipulation. Use a wide stop loss out the market to breathe. Assess below a buy side or size of liquidity. And for the next 4 drawn liquidity. Don't trade before call reaches sales. NP, CPI, PPI. Let the measures come out first, then see if there's a match set up afterward. When a take profit hit check 50 time frame because above the take profit, out to next check profit goes below take profit, get off a position. High quarter set to be 1%, normal set to be 5%, and drawdown by 25%. That's 0.25 to 50% if there's other positions. Looking for whether I set early. I'm patient, I'm confident, feeling emotional, and I'm greedy for the positive trading of the outcome, much of the process of the trade on the setup will deliver. I'm gonna expect that to trade. I'm not supposed to lose trades, don't force to make it happen. Price and scale match on the scale for profits. I trade based on my analysis. If I want to lose, I want to analyze in certain reasons. Avoid negative what if scenario, take action based on positive outcomes. Avoid FOMO if it's on journey. Try to my rules, be consistent, and avoid greed. So what truly matters the most. I'll look from the past and avoid repeating them. I'll take more trade position, even to break even trade to come trade for the session. If I take more trade position, I'll have loss on take more position, or heavy loss are gonna occur. Avoid trading. I'll avoid trading after 12 p.m. New York, 5 a.m. London. Do not trade at the session as you lack consistency. Do not in London session where the major news such as core to sales, NFP, CPI, PPI, as the market does not respect my setup during these specific times. Look for a break structure first or a reverse for a gap with a button block for entry. After losing streak, focus intensely on the first setup. The first setup is crucial. First one is crucial. After winning streak avoid and the first of the continues also focus on testing the second unit wait after the first loss. You're accumulating a ranging market, hold the trade confidently, trust the process. The market should have a low on for all time frame, my boss along with the sweep of liquidity. Do not enter, allow the 15 for allow the forward candidate club to decide before deciding. The market should have low for all time frame, and my boss along with the sweep of liquidity. Do not enter, allow the other candidate club before deciding. If the market has own liquidity. No, if the John liquidity and the other time frame is the same or not. Because the opposite of the market to check in the market to win. Caution more about when the market is John looking the opposite of the market look for other confidence better entering. There's that 15 opposite for a rag gap. And I have an entry before 15 opposite for a rag gap. And I enter, I'll 15 for rag gap first and look for a 15-minute confluence. Then look for a 15-minute unicorn model for entry position of that I should have already been in. Spot is a 15-minute opposite for a rag gap. It must be the first one and the close to the market price. Frag must be created. If it's not created, I don't follow the rule. But however, if it's created, I must follow the rule. Don't try to please everybody. Don't give their opinion and avoid trying to please people. And I'll go to our weekly trading focus. Oh, that can't close bearish. Saga. 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 You see how this Unicorn model got disrespected. You can see right over here. Last kind of closure, we got a closure below with a fair value gap, but with a fair value gap, he got disrespected. Why got disrespected? Very simple. Very, very simple. Before market open. And no context to it. So be careful. Do not trade after before quarter sales, NP, CPI, PPI. Let the major come out further and see the setup afterward. Only take one trade position. Even if it breaking trades, it's a counter trade for the session. If I take more than one trade position, I will experience a heavy loss. So only take one trade position or heavy loss gonna occur. When I take profit, say check 50 minute time frame, it goes above, take profit, hold on, share profit. It goes below, take profit, get off a position. When there's a 15 opposing fair value gap and I have an entry before the 15 opposing fair value gap, then I enter allow the 15 opposing fair value to get hit first. Then look for a 15-minute unicorn model. Then the fair value gap must be the first one, must be created, and if it's not created, not to follow the rule. But however, if it's created, I must follow the rule. Especially about the 15 opposing fair value gap, it must be the first one to close to the market price. I'm patient, I'm confident, feared, I'm much not greedy, I'm focused on the process of the trading, not the outcome. So the process, not the setup with deliver. I'm consistent and disciplined in my trading, comes to me naturally, affordably, and abundantly. Inshallah, I expect to not trade every day. I expect to lose trade. I'm an expect to trade. I'm expect to lose trade. I'm a focus on Bitcoin. Get habits. Compress as much as skill for profits. I trade based on my analysis. If I want to lose the trade, I'll understand the reason. Avoid negative what I've seen. Never take action based on positive outcome. Avoid following my long journey. Don't try to please everybody. Don't get your opinion. And avoid trying to please people. Why do I need to follow your rules? Because you need to follow your trader faster before the rules that I constantly break. How it can help me become a profit trader investor. So my goal for today, we already got our first step. So 4 hour journal liquidity is bearish. 1 hour journal liquidity is bearish. 1 hour box is bullish. 4 hour box is bullish. We're looking for that 15-minute unicorn model. We got it. Okay, so we do not have right now. We do not have anything here. We do not have any. We don't have any fair value gap, so we can go straight away to down here. So now we go to the 15-minute time frame. Got our hourly confluence. So I'm looking for the first step, which was the stop rate, which we already got. First step is already here. All I'm looking for is the candle closure below this, right over here. Then I'm looking for a fair value gap with that. Then I'm looking to short. Stop rate had before market open. We got another stop rate. Market does close below. We can have an unicorn model because over here. We already had this unicorn model over here, which got disrespected. We can have another one right over here. Let's see.
President Harris will expand tax credits for working parents and make corporations pay more, while Donald Trump will give more tax breaks to corporations and billionaires. This will make taxes fair.
Wait, Tim, can you briefly describe the heart of Nehemiah?
For it. Second chances up. So I was trying to figure out how to do photorealistic AI photos, and it was Stable Diffusion by itself is not doing that well. Like the faces look all mangled, and it doesn't have enough resolution or something to do that well. So, but I started seeing these base models, these fine-tuning models, and the people would train on porn, and I would try them, and they would be very photorealistic. They would have bodies that actually made sense, like body anatomy. But if you look at the photorealistic models that people use now, there's still core of porn there, like of naked people. So I need to prompt out the naked, and everyone needs to do this with starts imaging. You need to prompt out the naked stuff. You have to keep reminding the model you need to close them. Don't put naked because very easy. Vision detects every photo before it's shown to the user. So like check it.
Mr. Underachievers. Underdoer. So today we don't have what? I actually cut my hair and no shit is got in my fucking shoulder, bro. Itching me, nigga. What the fuck? Today we have a Joe Joss opening, which I don't give a shit about. We got Joe Jobs opening at 10 a.m., which I don't really care. If I see a setter beforehand, I don't care. It's only if it's NFP, CPI, or PPI, or core retail sales. Anything else, I don't care. And yeah.
The chart, I highlight the volume imbalance right here. As the down close candle closes, doesn't take not supply and demand. Inside, take good notes, buddy. Take some good fucking notes. That volume imbalance I draw out. So that once above, candlestick closes.
Mr. Underdoers, underachievers, motherfucker.
That candle, that volume imbalance right there. Let's see that state like that. Because it does this. I know that when this candlestick, next candle after it up, it's going to come right back down into that level. Why do I believe that's going to happen? And why is it going to act as a discounter rate? Why should it be? Well, somebody over here has been purged, traded down to an algorithmic price point where if I'm going to be accurate about anticipating, predicting how a P array is going to when and how they're going to, it needs to go to a level that I anticipate having a reaction. I don't trust in diagonal support. Diagonal trend lines. Diagonal trend lines. I don't look at classics. I'm looking at liquidity. I'm looking at levels that you're not necessarily seeing. This level here, this quadrant level, none of you are going to see that. You're not going to see that. No other school of thought is going to show that level here. It's not going to happen. That's not happening. Okay? So I have tools, a repertoire that afford me a visibility of a price that none of you have. And I'm showing this to you that we can appreciate, number one, that it's not just simply a down close candle that makes an order block. And it's not a demand zone. Because a demand zone has some kind of an anchor over here, and it's not below the lows. That is not in supply and demand. And it doesn't just do a drop down into a random level. It's going to a level that I've outlined in a array.
So just a recap. One of the liquidity is bearish, four of bots is bullish, one of bots is bullish, one of the liquidity is bearish, one of bots is bearish. We're looking to short this motherfucker.
So what's going to It's going to be on Instagram, it's on Telegram, it's going to be on channels, it's going to be on YouTube videos, and there's going to be some kind of a booklet put on Amazon next weekend. Okay? ICT's Indigo model. You know, stop that shit, okay? Because nobody's buying it. It's not going to be taught in entirety until it gets in the print. But I'm showing you things that haven't been taught before. But there's leaning on logic that I've already introduced, which is what? There has to be one of two things happening for your entry. It's going to go to liquidity. Clearly see. I think anybody with common sense can see that that would be sell stocks below. And it goes without saying. If it's not going to liquidity to create the long down to a discount inefficiency, which is what? Actual common gap. So in your, it could be drawn out like this. That would be a reasonable expectation that relatively. Now, your questions would be, how do you know not to buy in here? And how do you know they weren't going to just trade and use short underneath relatively? Sitting inside of that, that's already factors. Go there. If this level side of factors, that was down in the hit it. That upper. I told you. Ching. Okay, so ching. Stop price in its track. Find action. Trade. Well, I want to get $30. A little bit. pitching it was so as price separation shaded area. Down here, trades up. Now what is now? I'm watching body seeing buy side inside. I ignore it.
السلام عليكم يا رجال. أنا ماما. ها؟ ترى بچه abi aslında geçen için şuna aşağı neyse. Jim. Huh. I'm sorry, mama. I can't do all that.
My focus is primarily on consecutive candles.
He just told me to give the phone to the other person. Hell no. She gave my phone for too long.
Look at the same of this candle. That's a volume imbalance. It would look like this. Technical science. See that? Volume imbalance. And then the other one would be this. Yeah, not that. That's a volume imbalance. But I'm teaching you to don't even look at it like that. This is how you look at it for real. Okay, so the algorithm is ignoring this candlestick entirely and focusing on this. That's the reference point. That's the array it refers back to. And you can see the bodies. I'm sorry, the price action in here. We wick outside it, yes. But look what this does. Hammers it here, comes back up, rallies away. So what is it doing? We have an absence of buy side and sell side delivery on the body's perspective. We have wicks in here, but we have an actual gap between this candlestick's low and this candlestick's high. So there's a real separation or a real common gap. That's not my term, that's just
What are you doing? Everyone knows that stupid game isn't real.
It's called Last War. It's going viral. Big game. Let's watch. Okay, here we go. Last War. All right. Trying, which is great because I need to and shooting the tires out, killing more, scoring points. A lot more, which is better to shoot tires. Great. Now I'm going to multiply into a gang of guys to take out the red guys, particularly this big guy and yeah. Download Last War. Viral vote.
So go back to the simple person thinking, okay, if I can get $250, $250. Here's the
I'm waiting.
simplistic in a sense in the possible approach to take and have this much in terms of it results in yields this much in terms of trade. If you can find something that yields $250 at $200 scale to whatever $200 finance you just did that. Beginning, let's say you're embarrassed at the beginning. If you started all your payments right now, you did not control. You know. Reminding myself that he needs to take he needs to execute from and he says he's placed on himself because of expectations being try to do this. Everyone's got to do something. Figure out what it is. It's yourself. That's why you're doing it. That's exactly what you can't figure this out.
Okay, so I'm waiting for this unicorn model in 15 time frame.
And you have to figure out consistent. Doesn't mean it doesn't have to be. There's not losing. Actually, see what target. So getting it correct. It's okay. And here, as soon as it gets above, I want you to feel it. You feel it. You're in it. So sometimes you get a level. Why did you not? You're not listening. 30 years of experience. Next year. You're not going to listen. No times. And you're not game. I tell you. Start getting it.
Okay, it's got another liquidity.
So showed us all our expenses in one place and even helped us create a budget based on our past spending. My favorite part is probably the fact that it all we had to do was send in a cable bill and it lowered percent. I didn't even know that was possible. Find out how many subscriptions you're really executions. Lots of them. And you hung around. That's what I said. Does it feel like this? No, a lot. I said, that's a lot. See, you're saying a lot. That's in relationship to what you earn with the payroll. But you lost it. It was like $500. You only get it one time. But every time you went up, I downloaded it. And every time you go back up, you come right back down in the middle.
So, for many people, the first thing they do in the morning is that they practice stress.
they get up, whether it's news, emails, or social media, they, in what I consider to be a very time of the day, they allow the environment conditioning and that conditions their body. I think that's the way I see it. And in a view of what we've been talking about, mentioned addictions, which is how important for you is the first part of the day when someone, is that a critical part of the day where people have to be very intentional? Can they do some of it later on? Do you think first thing in the morning is a very important?
I think there's two times. Just my wake up in the morning, simple brain chemistry, physiology, circadian rhythm, right? That we begin to. If you suffer from racial inequality, if you suffer from gender inequality, justify achieving that disadvantages have achieved. And I say this as a white guy born in the same degree, which is that you can people. Somebody who's
Sure. Thank you for having me. To do is to scrape the so many. Right. Jim wants tell have it small. Have nothing. Should because Jack might just say fight. Churchill. Churchill. It's lead Churchill. Yeah. It didn't. Yeah, it's like it's just what Churchill once said. Try. It's like James Smith, which is if you're succeeding in a job, same essentially zero. Fucking if you're gonna shit, you should buy if they do. Still feel still lose. This is nothing objective. Purely in their mind.
think about them. People aren't even think about them to begin with, right? But like that's where they live or live potential downside in the mere reflection of think about or should they fail. And I think that is the like if we were trying to get real, if I actually had somebody start squirming, if I said like you know, they do have something, you just have to name it in your mind. It's like 6 questions deep. State it this way: that you fail your uncle sole reason that you live the rest of your life. Sure. Everything that you've done. Same.
I'll be back. I'm looking for that. Now I don't really care about this high anymore. I just care about this high because this high is way too. Yeah, it just messes up the chart. So gotta see about that liquidity, and we could use this as a way to get in.
So to just it's in the chat. So it's so scary. It's like sure you so like it's hesitate. Zero. It's relational capital. Status. Chief status. Shadow. Shit for it's embarrassing. It's my stunting. Self-confidence. Stunting. So few. See, so this is trying to set up the stood outside to shoot. That it's like so smoke. So shit. Slow your shit. Stop. Stop. See some shit. It's like, dude, see your shit. Stop. So you objection. Different from seeing it. So like it's for me. It's like this is just like these scores and such that take you. So I feel like season mistakes associated. So she sit start. So
16. So my son was stoked. So especially sounds like so take send me so small. Shoot. So it's like this month. Say that you so so Excel you got team that's this because I see so this one. Yeah. Just a so 13% month. So I can see what we're exactly. So Jane Smith, same way. Same way. Same thing. Social state is equal. State. Extension. Same stuff. Same stuff. Same way as if someone extension. Success. So many sets. Friend. Studying. So successful. It's not that it's really happening. So you take the more skills you so somebody somebody can extend this. You can so people skills of it's like when you're it's five it's five. So I've seen that. So like if you so Travis Mash single set single so it happens two single is fine. So so excited. So that's what like associate that you did that you change your something so to it's two friends should be
7. Cincinnati soccer. 7. So it's like James, same city, it's still changed. Just moving. So like, so tell him, so Harry, super, Jeff soldiers, 25 soldiers, same statistics. 10% stats are instead it's better change your speaks associated habit. See the sun soldier so much should be system. It's like
I'm back. Guess who's back? Okay, so the 4-hour time frame is definitely not gonna. The auto time is gonna close above this, so the auto time frame is what's our 4 keys still bearish, hasn't closed yet. Still have an hour 15 minutes. 400 keys bearish, 4 bosses bullish, 100 keys bearish. I'm gonna just take out liquidity. So 100 keys bearish, 1 bosses bullish. And I'm looking for a continue to come out with winning. Let's see.
I'm in a different mode. And I'm actually it's like start it. It's like it's like 80-20. So much. So much. If I could just if you do like it's like kind of like you just walk like if everyone just did 10 years to everyone. It's like hello, idiots. Okay. No. All of you didn't do shit about it. It didn't actually. Guess what? Take them again. Speak to them. Then by then, it's solid habit and face it, and then ask them. Guess what? Then let's do. Everybody. Let's do. And then they also. Damn. Hey, do I things that I did?
smart. Just you see, like successful people, they're smart. Just do. Hello, idiots. No trades taken. General Chairman Powell spoke. See, I need to buy shipping my pick up, selling my truck, legally get rid of it, and
Let's make our own.
Suntan lotion or SPF. So like, okay.
hello, idiot. Shipping
Sounds so stupid. That's enough. So, I had to go over two things. Second is that. So, sunscreen to my, so I get cute because I see it as soon as I sit at the same table, and and so, and then the type of so it's like for this cue myself, changing my suntan look. Cure everything, which I would never. Cueing my actions. Should not start. Changing habit, change direction. Church, like I thought, hey, I can check the.
need to buy a new car for Miami. Shipping my Brabus over here to Puerto Rico, selling my truck. I literally tomorrow, and so I'll be need to ship it like a week and a half. So I like actually, you know, so imagine you guys, you gotta figure it out. And my list because my good bumper, like right here, had like a little slant. The urban body definitely one of the best bike is. Oh, this is just whole new. See, it's see what this shipping my Brabus, pick up, selling my truck, and my dad. I was for need to ship it
about so I like now to how to figure it out. How do number one, cardiology and work. Idiot. Say no to control. Determine your the mass testing. If you can
Yeah, that's a good reaction right there. I like this reaction.
show
We get this SL looker right over here. Bearish bullish. So if our take profit says here, I'm gonna go for here.
purpose of bank is bank is purpose of every there's a verse in the Bible that's and people are
famously said.
With this switch in me where I was like, hey, fuck you, watch this.
Oh my, 300 subscribers. Change it. Change it.
Where I was like, hey, fuck you, watch this.
300 subscribers. Change it.
Where I was like, fuck you.
300 subscribers. How long did you do this?
For you to be assume that you're gonna
Word! Come on! Go Derek!
shit, swear. Success. It's not.
Okay. We got a Sasha liquidity, so the manga goes here too, so the liquidity cannot take a trade. Manga took out his liquidity. I mean, the market needs to go below this for us to take a sales opportunity, so let's see.
Assume that you're gonna have success.
We got two Basha liquidity swept. Now I'm just looking for a 15-minute unicorn model. While I'm looking for a unicorn model, all these Basha's bullish against the forward liquidity.
Assume that you're gonna have what I
Everything. Different.
stop. Start.
Show me two groups that need to learn skill, achieve anything. Men that are in shape and have learned to make money, do works, than an identical group out of shape. The skewed.
Sex is something that is despicable, and it is not something that natural eating, and hence, vast majority of say that it is prohibited to eat fish, ants, eat such insects that are found, even if they come and say it is clean and it's good, because this is not something that people naturally do, and hence others say that this is not. With the exception of locust. It is permitted for them to eat with live dead, it doesn't any slaughtering, and it comes in millions, and you can fill sacks of it, and it's beneficial, it's healthy, and it's halal at the same time. Insects, it
Plasma Traders mentorship is basically I wanted to create something that I wish I had when I first started trading. I would join communities that fed me terrible habits that just had no about or any idea, and
Chinese farm family had his cattle, and he had a horse. One day, all the neighbors, sorry that lost. It's such a terrible thing. I don't know. See you tomorrow. Okay, the sun arrived. Riding in it's so incredible situation. I don't know. We'll tell. Next day, the sun. next day, saying, age of 20, serve it. That's how Chinese farmer had a family, had his cattle, and he had a horse. One day, all the neighbors, sorry that lost. It's such a terrible thing. I don't know. It's a terrible thing. See you tomorrow.
I meet with entrepreneurs. This is one of the ways I know business. Watch this. The first time. Second time. Second time. Instead, they good business. This is the first time. It's about getting customers. I meet with entrepreneurs.
This idea, staying JM, get your this hard and in trading, that doesn't because that is the
You have to found data scale. This was the struggle. Came up with meeting. The same message. Sleep with capable, talent, made a shared destiny, self, shared. To know. To know. To know. Check.
does not are you
This is kind of.
should be
Because I can't trade it, then I have to wait till 10 a.m. because market's gonna tell us a corre. And corre.
It's like this little. It's like so in the Matrix. Takes them through a training program, teach them one thing: agents. And so they're walking straight people, and he says, "Listen to me." He says, "Look at it." He's back, and to walk away is an agent holding a gun in his head. And I see distractions the same way, which is that the better you become, attractive the woman is. And so you can say no to 6, 7,
and 12.
Exactly. What about hypothetical? That's really so having some of the soft. This is the vision. This is what we're trying to do, and there's 100 could do. Each of the cost of those things is the one thing that matters most. And I think that Layla's been so helping me with, and I think a lot of my success earlier held our agency, had a dental agency, had gym locations, had gym launch business where
This looks like could be a good move. Let's see how this goes. If we can get this candle closure below this, just like no fair value gaps, then that's all we need. That's the only good thing we need.
Buffett said that the difference between successful people is that the most successful people say no to everything.
400 liquidity is bearish. 400 liquidity is bearish. 400 box is bullish. 100 liquidity at the moment is bearish.
Success habits are.
100 box is bullish. We're looking for a 15 card model, which we still have not gotten yet. Go to 15 time frame. We got our first step, which was a simple. This is liquidity. We got the stop rate first. We got the first step going. Stop rate. Second step is to take this, but the last step is we cannot take a trade until 10 a.m. Why? It's just not because of the news. It's because of once the market does go down here, it's gonna see about the liquidity, and the John liquidity is gonna change back to bearish, bullish. Since 4 liquidity is gonna be bullish, 4 bucks is gonna be bullish. 1 liquidity is gonna be 4 liquidity is gonna be 4 liquidity is gonna be bearish. We're looking for a continued core model. 4 bucks is gonna be bullish. 1 bucks is gonna be bullish. 1 is gonna be bullish. This is winning, which we don't want, right? So I have to wait till this candle closure. So we got step 1, which was super liquidity. We got a stop rate right over here. I can push it down.
Interesting.
Stop rate. We got the step 1. Step 2 is get a displacement. What if for value gap? It has to be below this one, which was all prior to taking this liquidity over the last bearish candle, which is right over here. And we could push project from this to this. Yeah, the last final take profit would be here for me. First take profit would be where on this hourly time frame.
So if you see so much more downstream, if you get distracted.
We got an hourly auto block here as well. This auto block has this hourly would have got hit yet? No. Why has it not had get hit yet? We got a for value gap. This auto block you can see is above it. If auto block has never got a hit, just close above it. So I'm looking to put my take profit, which if I do get in a trade and if the market goes in my favor, if not, it is what it is. It's not gonna follow all my rules. That's all I care about. Yeah, TP1 is gonna be right at the 50% mark of this auto block.
Social media. From scratch, they'll check out the part. Examples, real publications it takes to create a successful newsletter, exceptional design, to action, excellent user experience, and a step-by-step guide about making your newsletter. So if you start doing a newsletter, it sounds cool, it sounds like a way for me to start writing that I can sell to or place again to download this free game. First step to achieving a massive dream. It's like if you
was
Sent
it's like shouting out stacking
so you so to you.
So that right? Success is like how you started, and still think values that the smaller that they. So it's being able to transfer your successes of like, did you get it? Like you have it's smaller to make the thing that you times that it's support. That's where the come from. The strain so saying like, and say no to say no to yeah, you know, the idea just stack pieces of evidence. Say you are, say you can't.
It's a challenge of something so see so it's something seen successful personally skill set now and entity particular skill set so what intrinsically it is almost a relationship as a networking best with show increases business there was so many degrees of freedom in to the business and the success of the business someone with imposter syndrome to explain say oh staff that we trained he would without self-doubt sort of and sort of switching to something actively stack of to deny right which is that syndrome after a little it's just a coaching it's adaptation so continue to the syndrome insists so this is just a which is a lack to self so you need to have this balance to say well surely self-belief particularly it's not your nature the delusion that significantly easier for you just went to the gym and did 10 push-ups to show me it sort of it's the fucking reality opportunities in today they look someone get this asymmetry between the fact that in retrospect it seemed totally obvious yet the thing that you're looking at right now go it might not be obvious in retrospect again
It's tough because you like start a business for strangers, pick up 16. It's house. It's like that sounds like just it. In retrospect, you're like totally system. Right? Take out the fact to the side. Right? And the thing is, just like just because we're on things up, we found it reasons to say no. You can always find reasons to say no. Treasuries have risk. U.S. economy could collapse, and you can create a really Which one of these is right so that it's start risks rather than risks. So opportunities to adjust your return. Just look at this risk to single skill set. Skill sets is not it's fun. It's every day. Traits we have, resources we have, it's opportunities. That's the hard. Is that there's some sixes and there's some eights. You have to right opportunity, and then also how creative risk factor you associate with it. Is she gonna stab me in sleep? Does she have a crazy ex boyfriend? So that's what we do. Just be like, just tie up the chapter. Opportunities that we're going to pursue. Says we look at it's like success that we have skills and just about skills. So we take basically no effort and extra skills. Okay, which ones take more effort and still no skills? So we do that. Okay, now we can start learning skill and skills. Which of these is going to give us the highest level? Which of these opportunities? So your frame is simply score decisions. So I think decisions overall like tools seller, even though 99.9% of people are definitely not at his level. Principles of good decision making just corner these guys excellent decision makers. Whereas most other people scoreboards we can't tell it's what makes from it's investors who it's source of information stack say so this judge your list this is something so just remind myself this is what stop this is what sign this is hard shitty this is what it feels like this is why most people can this is what it feels like it's so nice to lean on it is so nice to lean on me through there's actually a story that's what I'm telling you so way back in my fraternity so I was in the fraternity so yeah this was my first semester and so you have a pledge class two pledge classes as a spring it's your tenure and what's interesting for the audience from a human perspective is that every time we start a new class with 15 days 10 to 14 we play together say we don't this is when we sign up we fucking it's gonna be it's part of it's like that's what we expected which also shows you how it takes people to adapt to a situation. I'll tell you what happened. Sudden, just because their expectations of reality set. Like in the first 10 to 15 days, it's so such stuff. I mean, can't drink, can't talk to girls, they talk to each other, so they could together. Dudes who don't so they can't. To 12 weeks to leave is 1 year. So it's like only X amount of so let's go. Together. So texture. So that's where each of those side quests becomes insane as you want. Lots of hazing, just not fun. Sleep, and things like that. Just feel like you're treating you. You're awesome, dude. To the next day. This is how huge part of the new place. It's one of the, y'all sleep at the house because that's one. That's all they did. See the sun. So 2 weeks of this together. It's always happens. So it's just me, president. So there's like there's like a size comparison, just animalistically. So just asked them a couple. So it's like, it's like this house. Thought it was gonna be easy. It's our hands, guys. This is what. Suddenly there's just like this big tail. Expectations get reset. It's normal. This thing you expected. This is what hard. Suddenly it's like permission to feel shitty. Am I getting permission to feel shitty? Stop feeling shitty. This is just my. So. Semester to just do it. Concept like came from experience. Someone this is what hard. This is what stop. This is why. So say it must be nice to be you. It must be nice to be sponsored by Hyde and all. It's like top super shit after John Joe. And they got talking his so it's like it must be nice for you to be on stage and so you must be seeing what that's 80. Social media teams that someone else and he just does that because he needs to remind himself that he's doing the stuff it's hard. And this is what stuff this is what feels like justifying things. Now I find this in myself sometimes as well. He's so good at suffering, actually push yourself a little too far. Starting to basically take on sort of not out something that with you. The art of not out something to be like, realizing what happened, just starting off the side of it. To take this afternoon, sauna and get some sunshine and chill out. Justifies the fact that 50% of podcasts don't. It's episode 3. 50%, 10%, 10%, 10%. Just consistent. That's enough. Same. Stats like that. It's so easy to That's exactly. It's like, man, it's like struggling. It's like just of the experience, truly. And so, to your point, interesting one, it's just hard. So, like, it's one of my weaknesses. So I can see that that's measurable. Now, like, I can say, like, my editor, like, team knows when I like 6 hours, 7 hours, start like slumping. Like physically, I just start like slumping, and I like my cadence isn't as like sharp. That versus emotional burnout, which I think people slave, just like, and so it's just, and like again, it's like shadows. It's like, no, stuff doesn't. It's like, it's the one voice that she's coming through. It's coming. It's embarrassing to you to say that. You say it, then you said shame kind of starts to evaporate. It's this common. It's this common things that has helped me. It's saying like it's true.
Get back to Alex in 1 minute. I need to tell you about seed. Seed's DSO. Sit It's a 24 strain spectrum. Digestive system. 6 to 2 digestive massively smoothly. So to make it to your diet, sending you to your seed advanced option. So, seed.com. Check out SED/monitor. The checkout. Are you familiar with Byron Katie?
I've heard her name.
Yeah, the work is the work. And the first questions that she asks you, is it true? How do you know that it can be true?
Yeah.
And so it's like the same thing, bringing it from the shadows
Yeah.
into the, right? You have this sense. There's no shit. It's like a smell. Maybe something like shit. Maybe I'm not competent. Maybe I'm not whatever.
This one is there's a lot of, I think a lot of effort gets put into deny reality. Right? Like there's this clip that I shared about how I made fun of for years being big, right? And the clip that he was making, because it's such a visual, easy example to understand. He's like, is that it's true. I do have big ears. And so that's like the if they're to be making okay, and still gonna do things that I had earlier. I didn't think I was a really good person. Like I was like,
Yeah,
like some people are like, yeah, I just had that, and it gave me spite. So it's like, mama, that's okay, because I can still do things that success and not deserve it, still get. It. Actually, felt very. It's like you don't have to still do. Do you deserve? I hate the word. Like that concept because I can segue into that has been super powerful. Just like, and just trying to, they spend so much effort. The fact that comments might be
Whoa.
fucking terrible. You know what? This post might have been inspired too close. And make me shit. And
getting down to is pretty much.
At 10, I'm gonna redo my bias. I don't feel like I should be doing my bias right now. At 10, I'm gonna redo my bias.
This is what hard feels like at this stage. That so Hogan said this in the episode, and it gave me chills when he said it. He was like, "It's so easy to be successful nowadays." Yeah, everybody. Dana White says it as well. I tell my kids it is so easy. They like savage. Kids over. Every single person is giving chills again. Single person. It's to instigate it of say that against them, etc. etc. That should operate. Okay. Saying is everybody is agile in some way. How does that inform them? Should act is shit if this makes the market so much easier to get successful. Whatever domain I choose to set solo.
So, tweets, segues, which is stay in lesson of power. 2 words. And so, I was young, right? Justified or not, I was very angry. And I realized that people that I hated giving power back that I wasn't the person I wanted. And I had actually given power, success. It's ultimately something that was sick to my stomach and was with the finger of save money. And then at least take ownership over the and like, sure, maybe your dad didn't have maybe your mom. It's like and like, I said this the other day. Soft your if you suffer from sexual inequality, if you suffer from gender inequality, if you suffer from Bangladesh, if you were sexually abused, justified in the fact that you are not achieving the things that other people with disadvantages have achieved. And I say this as a white guy who's from America to a doctor. I understand that. But at the same degree, the opportunity that Nora, which is that you can be an inspiration. Same thing. And succeed despite that one single point. Subcommunity. And I think as soon as we shed that, that's like I'm a big fan of power follows the blame. So like wherever you point the blame fingers, where the power follows. So it's like if you point it to the government at your spouse and say like it's their fault, shape, it's their fault. They never let me do it. It's like well, it's like you're like so. And I can't run. It's my life. And,
Now it all depends on the 4-hour cannon closure.
That's all of That's all of
Así, hala Madrid, hala Madrid. I'll see how news comes out.
You do it anyway.
Oh.
So this
Yo, chat, you don't want to see me crash out, chat. If you guys ever see me crash out, chat, you don't want to see me crash out.
and get yourself into.
This has to be the worst fucking news.
So let's say
We are tweaking out, bro.
You don't know what you're supposed to do.
I'm good.
The most basic actions. It's like, come on, we got something.
I'm sorry.
Short. Two. And so something is very so attribute their success or because passion. It's the same way. So the short story was that in college, YouTube was TED Talk. I was like, and then masturbation, and I was like, cell phone, cell phone. Said, it's like, it's like,
chestnut. So we spoke about chip. Itself to its stage now. Chip on your shoulder. So I think the challenge is shots. Start to say so do it. It's kind of like so so step outside. It says stuff. It's like sorry. It's like should have just accepted it. Said you know stage. Just one thing. Say that. It's like see how so sometimes say that so many times. It's like it was just like so it's the same sense of just in a different so still playing this game. So so I think so it's love to how she spoke said sacrifice. So we sacrifice freedom, strength, success, success. Sacrifice. Supposed to success. Training. Sacrifice. Success. Two. Success. States.
So just like say something. Just that. So shape, shape, stay, shape, stay, stay. Success. Success. Success is successful. So sure. Chip scale. Some things that are self like cheap. Successful. So spirit. So three hyper chickens to roll to be like to wake up cheap beer. So number one, spirit. Second is that they suffer from insecurity. So you've got shit people. It's like control. Take over. It's like shoot off.
This has to be the shittiest news I've seen, yeah.
Stop. Shoot. So stopping right into a tube. A spring is attached to the tail to the full. And they smell the cheese in tube. To stop.
This is my 10/1/2024 market recap. No trade taken. I might take a trade. Around 11 if I see this for buy gap over here getting creative. If I see for buy getting creative, I'm looking to take another long position from a 5-minute unicorn model. But no trades for shorts. This company got ran through. Right now the drone liquidity is bullish. You can see Market took out his liquidity, so next obviously liquidity coming back to the upside. This guy ran through this one. All of these guys ran through. So next liquidity gonna be here. So what I'm trying to see is if this 4 hour if this hourly for value get created. If he can, I'm looking to long it up even more. And these are the only highs we have, right? So when this gets high, this gets hit without no entry. I'm not looking for no trades, right? But I want to save this for I want to see if this hourly for value can get created. Then I can get a long position here. But yeah, this is like a market recap slash a new daily bias, right? So what we're gonna do is we could mark out this, but market won't potentially go all the way down here. What we're gonna do is just mark out the recent value gap if the market does push down there, which is not gonna happen. If it does happen, it's gonna be past the trading time, right? Past the kill zone. And what do we have with that? Give out the auto block. So I want to see this for value get created. Once this for value is created, I'm looking to do another long position. But right now, currently, the 4 hour bias is bullish, the 4 hour liquidity is bullish, the 1 hour bias is what? The 1 hour bias is bullish, the 1 hour liquidity there at this moment right now is bullish. This became run liquidity, this became run liquidity, all the became run liquidity, right? So once again, 4 hour bias is bullish, 4 hour liquidity is bullish, 1 hour liquidity is bullish, 1 hour bias is bullish. We're looking for a 5-minute core model. We have nothing that's red, so we can go to the 4 hour time frame. Bullish, strong liquidity is bullish. If they became run liquidity, so I'm looking to long. Once again, if I see this hourly for value getting created, if I do see this hourly for value getting created, and it does give me a setup around 11 to 12, I'm looking to long once again. But till then, I'm just gonna wait. I want to see what the market does. So this is like another type-ish of a market daily bias for the market recap with the old one. Thank you for watching.
So interesting. And that's okay. So, so why do I sacrifice things that I would satisfy? So that's what
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some more food. I'm hungry as hell.
seems to
Okay, we're back. Got it for value up here. So 4 hours of liquidity bullish, 4 boxes bullish, 1 hour boxes bullish. We're looking for the 5 unicorn. We got an hourly fair value gap that we could use. Alright, let's see if we can get a fair value gap here. Get a 5-minute unicorn model. We're going a 15-minute, bro. That's better not close the gap. Son of a bitch. We could go for the target. 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 Damn, you see, motherfucker? Fuck you, motherfucker. Fuck you. Nigga. Nigger. Bro, we better not close the gap. Better not close the gap. So we got step 1 here. Stop right. Yes, bruh. See if we can move down here, then go get a move back up. Guys, what up? I can't answer anything else, but. Smap. Habibti.
A. So Maghrib is invalid. You should not pray it. One. It's over. Even if they pray 100 rak'ah, it's not going to be counted. The Isha is valid.
If he someone on time,
Salam. Prayer says, Salatak specific time. So it has a beginning and we came to the place of the duration of days. Teach him how to pray. He prayed 5 times of the day. So beginning of the day. He prayed prayers. Asr, Maghrib, Isha. This time. He said, prayer is between this and this. The beginning of the time. Before as well. Because the time is over. Specific. So those who day, their Asr Maghrib is invalid. They should not pray it. It's gone. It's over. Even if they pray, it's not going to be counted. The Isha is valid because it's prayed on time. Meaning prayer without reason is the Shia of them. They combine any specific reason and they pray 3 times a day. Some sects of them, that is. This is not permissible. These people, they are playing with the religion. And this is why, fortunately, this majority of the masjid that people take knowledge from have no knowledge. There are people they bring from North Africa, surah, they lead the prayer, say that Sheikh, be alim. in Islam, actually say that these guys, I don't know what they're doing in Islam, but it's very from such people. Such people. We have great scholars, Ibn Al-Albani, things and classes and lectures spread, and you can take few Quran and the Sunnah. It's like these people in France and elsewhere want the Quran and the Sunnah. This is why they fight against anyone who Quran and the Sunnah, against democracy. These are study beliefs. That's why they pick them. Sunnah.
It's just playing now. Come on, bro. Push. Ah, this is some bullshit. For Vega first, buddy. I'm gonna test it. Hold on. One thing I gotta do is Alright, let's see. Let's see. Market's closing really bearish here. Marhaba habibi. Benjamin Netanyahu! What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, let me go to the 5 minutes. Benjamin Netanyahu! What the fuck, man? What's wrong with you, Benjamin Netanyahu? Fucking Meech. Fuck you. I gotta go to the 5 minute time frame in this and see how was that candle. That candle on. Ah, I gotta take a shit. I gotta be. But I gotta take a piss. I'll be right back. But that is not the stop rate. Let me look for another one. Shit, go to if I wonder. That was a bullish candle, so I'm looking to long out of this bad boy. Okay. I'm looking to long out of this because this looks like this looks like to be it. Or it could be this. Or it could be bad. Yeah, this does not, that one does not look like it's gonna be that. I don't know if this is the. I feel like it's this because this is a clear one, right? The last, so market took out his liquidity last up closing candle before taking the liquidity. That was clear. It can't be. This is too small. So I'm gonna count this as my breakup block. And I'm probably gonna put my sell stop a little daisy. So first take profit is gonna be here. Second take profit is gonna be right over here. So at all time highs, maybe my take profit. Shit, I don't know if the market gonna go there, but you're gonna go there. You're gonna go there. Cause I do not know which one it is meant to be. So if I'm this low, fuck, I don't know, bro. This is supposed to be. If this looks like to be the one, I'm gonna go out of this one because this is the manipulation leg. There's a distribution leg. So if I see a move out of here, I'm looking to long out of this. Hey, however this goes, man. But this looked like to be the breakup block. So we got a stop rate. Step 1 is clear. Step 2 is gonna be take a displacement. And sell stop is gonna be the below the third one. So if I take a trade here, let's say I take a trade somewhere here. Just below the third one. Oh, that shit's big. I might put my sell stop a little closer and tighter. Just depending on. I mean, I might just put it right below the 50%. Just right over here. Very confusing, eh? And this broker is just even, so I don't even know if that's a bearish candle or bullish. Go to the 4-minute time frame. So 4 minutes. $4.55. $4.55. Boom. I see it overlapping for rag gap. This might be it. This might be the one for me. There's no 50-minute point for rag gap, so this could be it. Say a candle closure above this. I might put my sell stop right below this one. So the forward liquidity is bullish. Robust is bullish. 1 hour John liquidity is bullish. 1 hour box is bullish. Got all the fair value gap we were returning out of. There's no 15 above the fair value gap. This is tricky though. I don't know if this is gonna be the rate, but when I check the videos, it's just this right here, the last up closing candle, which is this. I mean, it could be this as well. The market close above, then comes back down. Visit this. I could use it as a sell stop. Let's see if we can get a candle above this. Still both going for the same take profit. This is the clear buy side, so I'm looking to be this. The fair value gap must not be touched, bro. If it gets touched, I'm not using it. If it gets touched first, I'm not looking to use it. We don't got a candle closure above, so I'm waiting for a candle closure above. Then I'm looking to enter the trade off. I might de-risk on this trade. I'm gonna de-risk on this trade since this is hard to tell if it's a unicorn model or not. So on this trade, I'm gonna de-risk to 0.25%. So on this trade, I'm gonna de-risk just because I don't know if this actual a thing, because there's another one there. It doesn't look like it doesn't create it down, but this one did. So I'm gonna de-risk on this trade. And let's see. I got the notes in my phone, so we could use this. So I can't, when I do the breakup block, I can only enter out the breakup block. Why not the fair value gap? This fair value is now overlapping with this breakup block. So I'm not looking to use that. So that's how it's gonna be right below this. Why is it gonna be right below this? Just simply due to because of breakup block is gonna be below the breakup block. So once I get a candle closure above the breakup block, this could be a good sell stop. Just gonna put something below there. But this trade I'm gonna de-risk just because I don't know if it's actual a unicorn model. I mean, we got the first stop rate, but this one there's another bullish candle. I don't know if that's a bullish candle or not. And other pairs is other brokers it says it's a bullish candle, and this broker it does not say it's a bullish candle. It just even out, right? So I'll be careful with this. So I'm gonna just de-risk to 0.25%. And for my thing, for my drawing, for my projection, I'm gonna go from this high to this high. I just feel like it's this one, and not that it could be this one as well, because this is the actual high. I mean, people are gonna be like, okay, this is the actual high, or this is actual high, this is actual high, because they're all high, right? To me, it looks like to be this one right over here. Okay, we got a overlapping fair value gap here. Put a little bit lower. It's okay, at least let the market breathe. Yeah, it's gonna be right on the start of the breakup block. I could put it like yeah, I'll put it right there just because what the fuck. No. Put it right below that fair value gap in there, so market could look down here and not take us out. Hopefully. This is a tricky one. So see. Okay, so we got a candle closure above. I'm looking to enter out of this fair value gap. I mean, this breaker block just because it is the only one. This fair value does not overlap with it, so this one does. So let's just see if we're gonna get a tap into that. I always see market break pressure back down or back up when there's a breaker block or a unicorn model. That can literally help us not take no position and actually let us think. So what I'm gonna do is be accountable and actually de-risk. Why I'm de-risking? Because it's very confusing. It's a bullish candle and this is the bullish candle. So I'm gonna go out of this one, but it's very confusing though. So let's see if this could touch this fair value gap and bounce back up. But right when I get a trade, I'm supposed to do a trade. I'm expect to build good habits, not bad habits. When prices are skill right after 12 p.m. I'm out. Right when it hits the 12 p.m. clock, I'm done. Unless the market goes below this and disrespects it, that I'm not gonna look for a trade. So we're gonna go two ways right now. But yeah, emotions are shaking right now. I don't feel nothing, which is good. Following all my rules. 4 batches bulls, the 4 located bulls, the 1 batches bulls, the 1 located bulls. We're looking for a 5-minute call. We don't got a 15 opposing fair value gap. We're chilling. أسرع Okay. Looks like we're gonna get a tab. Cannot take out of this fair value gap. Why cannot take out of the fair value gap? It is now overlapping with this breaker block. Okay, touched it. Now I'm looking for execution. So now I'm looking for a fair value to get inversed. So once I get an inversion, once I get an actual closure above this breaker block in a 5-minute time frame, I'm looking to try my stop loss. I'm looking to put my stop loss instead of putting it here. I'm putting it right here to just give us some more space, right? Like less risky, but more risky, but more. But that's what we do ourselves with breaker blocks. We're gonna get a candle closure above. Now I'm looking for a fair value gap. What's for a value gap? Okay, let's see. You're gonna reverse fair value gap. It looks like you can touch the fair value gap right over here. Boom, touch it. I don't know if there's a unicorn model. It's like that's why I'm de-risking, right? Because I don't know if it's actually a unicorn model. So what I'm gonna do is take action and be smarter. Because I don't know if this candle is bullish or not. So what I'm gonna do is just focus on this. And let's see if we could disrespect it or respect it. Whatever that happens, what happens. We still have like 3 days to make another all-time high. So if this looks like if we might create an all-time high, it might create an all-time high. Let's see if we can get this fair value to get inversed. So once I get an inversion, I'm looking for a 1-minute building block. You could just enter out of that shit. So we're gonna clear the closure above. We're looking like it looks like you're gonna get a candle closure above. So I'm looking to chart my stop loss to right over here, giving us a better, riskier, more reward. But my take profit, I'm basically gonna go out of the projection, right? So projection says from here to here. So there's the manipulation leg. So we're gonna go from here, from this low to this high, and projected to we got a candle closure above, right? We got a candle above. So we got step 1, which is the super liquidity, which we did get. Step 2 is we got a displacement above, which we got, and the step 3 was the fair value gap and overlap with the breakup block, which we got. Got a candle closure above. Yeah, I'm looking for a 1-minute building block. I'm looking to enter this trade off right here. Get my money ready. $3.99. Boom, got a candle closure above. So let's see if we can get a 1 minute PDA array like a fair value gap or anything like that. Then however this goes, however it goes, much better to trade. This is a risky play, but we're de-risking because it's a more of a riskier play. So what I'm gonna do is take action. Although let's just say this guy's going a profit and here's our TP, I don't care. This is a risky play. So what I'm gonna do is take action on and de-risk to 0.25. Okay. Let's see if we got a fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. So this fair value gap right over here, bullish, bear. So we got fair value gap right over here. This fair value just got inversed. That acts like a breaker to me. So now all I'm looking for is an inversion. I'm looking for another. I'm looking for a building block, or I'm looking for if I see another bullish PDA array, which is a fair value gap, get disrespected. I'm not looking for no entry until I get another inversion from the downside back to the upside. So right now I'm just waiting for a 1 minute PDA array. Since we got an inversion, got a candle closure above, so I feel like putting sets up above here is more better. Unless this whole trade idea gets invalidated by the market just pushing down. Let's see, still no PDA right here. Let's see if I can get a candle closure above this or below this, but I don't want to see this. I did see this for get disrespected. If I not even been to its initial situation. Still respected as for inversion for value, which had as a bullish. Let's see if we can get a huge wick right back up. This PDA area got disrespected, so I'm looking for a whole nother value gap. Getting disrespected or breakout structure, or unless this whole unicorn model gets disrespected and no trades. Which even if I do get a trade, I'm gonna de-risk, right? But let's see if this is gonna get disrespected or not. See, people who just usually just do a limit order would have just kind of stopped out over here or putting sets up below there, right? Look at that, trying to hunt to my stop loss, bro. Yay, bro. Okay, I stopped my shit, huh? Think you slick, nigga? You ain't slick, nigga, cause I'm here, nigga, and on me. Let's see if this gonna get respected or not. So what I'm gonna do is take my stop loss instead of putting it to, oh yeah, I didn't want to make a fair value gap here. That's what did it, impose a move down. Okay, so instead of putting my stop here, I'm gonna put my stop right below the thing, the low it created. So let's see if we can candle closure above. This breakup block is still respected. Market did a wick down, did a wick right back up. Let's see if we can get this fair value gap to get inverse and act like a breakout structure. Just right, the candles are above. I don't gotta put my stop loss all the way down here. This here or over here is just nice. Yep, we got a huge candle closure above. Let's see another candle closure right above the breakup block. I'm de-risking on this trade. I don't care. Just because it's not making too much of a sense. So what I'm gonna do, I'm looking for a 1 minute PDO to get touched, which is could be this auto block. When this auto block gets touched, I'm looking for a bullish reaction out of it. I'm looking to enter. 330. See if this PDO gonna end bullish or not. So my projection is gonna be below this. Look at this huge move down. Then we got displacement above that huge move down, which realistically to me looks like to be this one. So TP1 is gonna be here, TP2 is gonna be there, and no more than that. So for my take profit, I'm not gonna go use this as my take profit. I'm gonna use this other high which is the 4-hour high at my take profit 1, and there's the last take profit which is over there, take profit 2. Which to take profit 2 should be, to take profit 1 should be always a 1-to-1 RR, right? Yeah, it's a 1-to-1 RR. And this one is close to this one, and they're close to this one, so I'm gonna use that as my second take profit. Still waiting for that bullish reaction, which you don't get. Let's see. Market push down even more. This is a unicorn model. I usually see these type of reaction out of the unicorn model. This unicorn might get disrespected, so this is case sort of happens. But we're not in the trade because we don't got our execution entry, right? So people, if I would have done a limit order, I would have gone stopped out. So let's see. Market invalid this for value gap again. So now I'm not looking for things. So this acts like a breakup structure to me, right? So once this breakup structure gets invalidated again, cannot look for a trade. I'm looking for another inversion. I'm not in this trade yet, so just let you guys know. I ain't in this trade. Let's see how this fork candle closure is. If it closes below it, I'm not looking for no trades. If once it closes below it, I'm just calling it a day. You know what I mean? Yep, candle closure below it. So now Andrew anybody want to fuck money, what the fuck me? What the fuck me? Why do I look like a strong boy, sexy body? What do I have and what don't you have? Is I got some balls and I can stick it up your mouth, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Shut up. Yeah, disrespect. Yup, this is it. Another day. Taking a dumb loss. This is my 10/20/2024 market recap part 2, actually, right? So let's go over it. We had a unicorn model, but no execution. And this unicorn model just got disrespected, so not looking for an execution. And during this unicorn model, I was like, okay, I have to de-risk. I have to. So, because I don't know how this candle closure is. Because if this candle closure was bullish, then there was that first place no unicorn model. If this was the reaction, right? If this was the reaction, I never had an entry on that market. I was constantly looking for a building block area. I'm looking for a Fibonacci to get inverse, which got right here. But guess what? We had a PDA array. This PDA array closed what? This PDA array, right? That was not even a PDA array. I mean, in the fourth place, it looked like it was a fair value gap, but it was not, right? Over here, no PDA array, closed below it. Okay, so the fair value got inverse again. So I'm not looking for no more of that. Now I'm looking for another fair value to get inverse. Which was this right here. I'm looking to enter this auto block. No entries, no bullish candle. Market just come back down. But this is a risky one. Even if I would have entered this trade out of D-Wix to 0.25%, it's because of this was a tricky one. And this looks like to be a real unicorn model, and he got disrespected because the unicorn, the market closed below the breakup block, which overall invalidates the whole model. And yeah, just saved ourselves from losing money from following our execution rules. Thank you for watching.